Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, dear students. Welcome to our science class. So today is Thursday and the date is 19th of November 2020. Please, everyone, open to page 220. We are going to do sum it up. 220. Everyone, did you open?
Yes.
Okay, very good. After we took the lesson yesterday, we have the small diagram over here. We are going to classify or organize the animals according to what we studied, okay? So over here we have two classification, number 1 and number 2. If number 1 have backbones, what do I call them? And if they don't have backbones, number 2, what do I call them?
Miss, I know. No, Miss, I know. Miss, I know.
Okay, very good. Before we start, can you please open your cameras so I can see you and we can all interact together? So when you raise your hand, I can see you and I can choose you, please. All right, Jenna. Number 1.
Okay. Animals who have backbones, they called vertebrates.
Excellent, vertebrates. Thank you. Yes, Feroz. Number 2, animals that don't have backbone.
They're called yes, I know, but the word.
Okay, I will help you. The ones that they have.
I know what it means, but like I don't know the word.
Okay, I will help you, dear. If they have backbone, it will be vertebrates.
Okay.
If it doesn't have backbone, it's the same word, but you add something to it. It's okay, Feroz. I want you to think about number 3 and 4. Can you do that? I'm going to give you another chance, all right? Yes, yeah, Maria.
Non-vertebrates.
None or invertebrates? Invertebrates. Excellent. Because vertebrates means backbones. So if they don't have backbones, we will say invertebrates.
What was the page?
This page, it's 220. Yeah. It's 220. Let me write it down for you. So it's 11, 19, 20, 20, and the page number is 20. Okay. Okay, can you give me 5 classes goes under the backbones?
What does that mean?
Classes. We learned about the classes. Classification. It's all about classification. What about invertebrates? What are the 5 kinds?
Worm in the world of a worm. Worm.
Worms. Excellent. Worms can be in the classes. Yes. Sorry. 5 kinds. Invertebrates.
Oh, the ones that doesn't have black bones, we put it in the 5 kinds. Kinds, and the ones that okay.
Yes.
You see urchins? See urchins?
Who has backbones?
Fish.
Fish.
Fish,
Snake.
excellent.
Snake,
Snake.
bird, frog.
What I call them? Snake, frog. What is the class of the snake? Is it mammal?
Reptile.
Reptile, excellent. So reptile, what about frogs? What is the class of the frog?
Amphibian.
Amphibian, excellent. What else? So you said reptiles, amphibians,
And birds.
fish, birds. One more.
No, it's a mammal.
Mammals. So these are classes. See? When you say mammals, you mean all the animals that goes under mammals. So this is a class, the class of mammals, the class of reptiles, the class of amphibians, and the class of... Now go back to your book, to the invertebrates, and find the 5 kinds. Invertebrates. Come on, let's go back together. If you find the page, tell me, page what?
Page 12. 212.
Really? 212. Very good. Okay. Now, what are the kinds of invertebrates?
Miss, I finished. I did all.
Yes, you can.
Worm. In the invertebrates, worm.
Worm. Excellent. What else?
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin.
Are these the kinds?
And
Marine sponge.
marine sponge.
It can be marine sponges. Are you making sure that these are the kinds?
Miss, I don't know. I wrote them
How
all.
do you make sure these are the kinds?
Here for sea urchin it says. Miss, I know. I really do know.
So, yes, Yatala.
The invertebrates are worms, sea urchins, lobster, whatever this shell is named of, and a marine sponge.
Excellent. So we call all the worms in the worm kind, okay? They are worms kind, sponges, echinoderms, molluscus. What are the molluscus? Can you give me the example of the molluscus? Let's go back here. Molluscus such as whelk and many molluscus has a shell. So you don't tell me it's a whelk. No, a whelk is a kind of molluscus, okay? So these are the kinds of the invertebrates. Arthropods. Like what arthropods? Arthropods. Like what? Let's see over here. Find. It's over here. Like who? Arthropods. Like who?
Spiders.
Excellent, like spiders and insects. Okay?
Okay.
Very good. Guys, I'm not going to highlight all these. You will just have to memorize it from sum it up. Okay? You have to get ready for quarter 2. Next week is your quiz. After that, we have quarter 2. Okay? You have to get ready for quarter 2 from now. All right? One by one, if you are studying one by one, you are going to find it very easy. Okay, let's go next. Now, over here in the box, I want you to fill the missing word, okay? If it's incomplete metamorphosis, the egg will hatch to have what? Then adult. And if it's a complete metamorphosis, the egg will hatch as what? Then adult. Yes, Maria, first one.
Nymph.
Excellent, excellent. 3 stages and it will include a nymph. Number 6, ya Jenna?
It's larva.
Excellent. Larva. After larva will be?
Adult. Oh no.
Okay, thank you, Jenna. Mariana, a
Yes, I know,
complete
I know.
metamorphosis includes 4 stages, okay? Mariana, it includes 4 stages, a complete metamorphosis. An egg, when it's hatched, a larva will hatch out from this egg. When it's grow a little bit more bigger, it will become what, Mariana?
Larva.
Okay. What? Thank you, Mariana. What about Jude? Jude?
Yes.
Jude, number 7, yeah, Jude. What will grow after larva?
After larva.
Okay, think about the butterfly, the ladybug, all the life cycle of the butterfly and the ladybug. They will have eggs, then larva will hatches from eggs. When they go to a small branch and have a thick covering around them, what do I call it?
Miss, I know the answer, but I don't know the name of.
Yes, I know.
Yes, yeah, Maria.
Miss, I know. Pupa.
A pupa. Thank you. Then adult. So 3 stages for incomplete, 4 stages for complete metamorphosis. What do I mean by metamorphosis, ya Amal? Hi, Amal. What do I mean by metamorphosis? Very good. Very good. Yes, ya Maria. What do I mean by metamorphosis?
The stages and the changes of the.
What is the stages? What are the
Eggs.
stages that a living thing goes through? If it's a stage, then it is a life cycle or a metamorphosis?
Life cycle.
Excellent. Okay, what about the changes that a living thing goes through? Completely changing. Something really different.
From baby to.
No, not from baby to child. These are the stages. From pupa to larva, tadpole to frog. Parents are very different from the youngs or not? So do I call it a life cycle or a metamorphosis?
Metamorphosis.
Exactly. I describe these changes as a metamorphosis. I would say a frog goes through a metamorphosis during his life cycle. What are they? It will become first a tadpole, then a young tadpole, after that an adult, and it will change during each life part of it. Okay? Clear? Everyone familiar what is a metamorphosis? Guys, we learned metamorphosis since grade 2, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So we know what is metamorphosis or not?
Yes.
Everyone, do you have any question about what is
Yes.
metamorphosis?
No.
Are you sure? I'm willing to explain again and again if you love to. Now, let's take a look at these animals over here. What do you see? What do you see? These all are... Yes,
A
excellent.
backbone of snake.
Nice, very good.
And
All right, what I want from you is to draw line, match the definition to the word or phrase, and then to the photo. So first, the definition to the word, after that, the example from the photos. Let's start with Maria, then Jenna. Yes, an animal with a backbone.
Is a vertebrate.
Excellent, is a vertebrate. Very good. And the example of it?
The skeleton of the snake.
Excellent, very good. Easy, it was very easy. This is vertebrates then. Like this. Jenna, shedding of a hard outer skeleton during incomplete metamorphosis.
pupa.
No? What do I call the shedding of hard outer skeleton? Like a nymph. For example, there is a nymph is what? Taking out the skeleton, the hard outer skeleton during incomplete metamorphosis. What he's doing? What do I call it? What do I call this hard shedding? Do I call it mollusk, pupa, life cycle, or molt, or sea orkin? Let's go back to the page. Come on, come on, come on. This is the way how you solve problems. Come on, let's go back to the page. You told me it's 200 maybe and 14. Let's see. No. Find the metamorphosis. Incomplete and complete metamorphosis. Where are they? If you find the page number, just tell me about it, please.
Is it incomplete?
It is incomplete metamorphosis, but...
Page 219.
Okay, very good. Huh. Look at the nymph. Read. Come on. يلا يا جنى. Read. The cicada goes. No, you are muting yourself, please.
Oh, okay, the cicada goes through incomplete metamorphosis. A small nymph
emerged
from the egg. The nymph grows.
Hatches.
Oh. The nymph grows and molts until it becomes a mature adult.
So
it's molt.
Excellent. What do I mean by molt?
Molt that's
Read it from here. Huh. Can you find the word molt? Can you see my pointer?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Molts are its hard outer shell The nymph molts several
Several.
times until it finally becomes an adult.
Excellent. See, this is the way how you find the answer. Is it easy how you can find the answer? So if you want to find some answer, what are you going to do? Go through
Going
your
to go
book.
through the book.
It's easy, very easy. Now, so shedding, it can be what we said?
Molt.
Malt. Excellent. I think now you are never going to forget what is malt mean. Do you know why? Because you looked into it. You tried your best to find the answer. Now, what is the example of malt? Is it this one, the first one? The second?
No, it's the
Miss, I know.
Jenna.
fifth one.
Excellent. It's Jenna's turn. Thank you, Jenna, very much. So just like a nymph, it will molt. Molt mean to shed off a hard outer shell skeleton. Okay, very good. Now the stage an adult emerges from during complete metamorphosis. What occurs after complete metamorphosis? What's an adult of a complete metamorphosis? Or let's say this stage, an adult will come after it. What is it?
Pupa.
Excellent. It's a pupa. And which picture shows a pupa?
The last one.
Excellent. Welcome to the club, Jenna. I'm so proud that you are here with us. Yalla ya Tala, where are you today? Start.
I'm here.
An invertebrate that uses a shell.
It's this thing, the wealth.
Is it life cycle, sea organ, or mollusk?
Mollusk.
Excellent, it's a mollusk. And exactly the one with the shell. Very good, very good. Amal, do you want to do this? An invertebrate with hard spine. Is it a life cycle or a sea urchin? Yes, ya Juri.
Sea urchin.
Sea urchin. Which picture is it? First or second?
The second one.
Excellent. Second one. Now, the different stages of development of an organism. Hi, I'm Amal.
Yes.
The different stages of development of an organism.
Life cycle.
Excellent. It is a life cycle. Very good. Very good. Thank you, guys. Let's go to the final page. See. These are the answers. These are the answers if you want to take a screenshot. And let's go to the next page. Okay, guys?
Okay.
Very good. Let's go to the next page. Over here, write a number below each picture to show the correct order of a ladybug life cycle.
Yes, I know.
Is that Juri?
Yes.
Okay, let's start it, Juri. Which is number 1? Give it names. What is number 1?
Egg.
Eggs. Excellent. Number 2. Larva or pupa?
Larva.
Is the first one larva or the last one?
The last one.
Excellent. Last one, larva. Then where's the third one? Adult or pupa?
The first one.
Pupa. Excellent. And then number 4 is the adult. Very good. Very nice and easy. This definitely will come to you in your quarter for sure with the picture. Now, number 3. Draw circles around the vertebrates. Draw boxes around the invertebrates. The worm, square or box?
Box.
Box.
Excellent, it's a box. The corals, square or box?
Box.
Circle or box? A square is the same of the box, girls. No one corrected that. And what about the frog? Is it a circle or a box?
Circle.
Circle.
What about the bird?
Circle.
What about the fish?
Circle.
Circle.
Excellent. Now draw lines to match each vertebrate to the characteristic that describe it. Amphibians, bird, fish, mammals, reptile. Okay? Scaly skin. Who has scaly skin? Yes, ya Maria. Amphibian?
Or reptile. I think reptile.
Reptile, excellent. Okay, lives part of life in water and part on land.
I know.
Bird?
I know.
Amphibian, excellent. Okay. Body covered with feathers.
I know.
Fish. It's a fish.
No, it's a bird.
Okay, very good. Alhamdulillah. Okay.
Bird.
Lives and takes in oxygen underwater.
Fish.
Fish.
Human.
No, fish.
Are you sure?
No.
Yeah, we can't take
No.
oxygen from underwater.
Excellent. So only fishes. Why? Because we have lungs. What do they have?
And they have gills.
Gills. Okay.
Gills.
Young drink milk from mother.
Mammal.
Oh.
Mammal.
Definitely gonna come to you. Definitely. Okay, girls, that's it for today. Thank you for participating, being here, and being part of it. Please, guys, study well for your exam and quiz. See you, inshallah, Sunday. Have a great weekend, girls. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.